Foreign Secretary risks accusations of hypocrisy after Labour criticised Tories for using private planes. David Lammy spent an eye-watering £1 million on private jets in just 3 months despite Labour pledging to crack down on their use. The Foreign Secretary racked up a flight bill of £1.2 million between October and December 2024, with the majority going on private planes. There is no suggestion that Mr. Lammy's use of private jets is more than his predecessors. But it risks accusations of hypocrisy after Labour previously criticised the Tory government over the issue. Chancellor Rachel Reeves promised on October 2023 a crackdown on Tory ministers' private jet habit if Labour came to power. She said, "We will enforce the ministerial code on the use of private planes and save millions of pounds for taxpayers in the process." Deputy Prime Minister Angela Rayner also lashed out at Liz Truss for using a private jet when she was Foreign Secretary. Ms. Rayner said it showed exactly quite how little respect this Conservative government has for taxpayers' money. Labour also branded Rishi Sunak out of touch for using private planes and helicopters.
Explicar lo que siento cuando tú no estás conmigo, cómo gritarle a los vientos que me perteneces, que te necesito, cómo explicar la alegría cuando tú estás a mi lado. Yo sé que no hay en el mundo un amor más grande como el que me has dado. Te amo, amor, te amo, por siempre 1000 veces te amo. Y aunque no creo merecerte, doy gracias al cielo de haberte encontrado. Te amo, amor, te amo, por siempre 1000 veces te amo. Que Dios bendiga tus ojos, tu cara bonita, tu amor, tus encantos.